All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and today we're talking feature, advantage, benefit. I've got a formula for turning features into emotional benefits. Now, why is that important? It's because people buy on emotion, so we want to sell them a feeling. And we're going to do that through this little formula here: feature, advantage, benefit. So let me walk you through this, and I'll give you some concrete examples to back all this up, okay? So the feature is what it is, what your product is, what people get. It's the tangible, right? And the advantage is what it does well. What does your product do well? Benefit, what that means to the buyer emotionally. All right, what's the feeling they get from using your product? We're also going to be using this formula here. It, so you can, which means, all right? So it, feature, so you can, advantage, which means emotional benefit. All right, so let's bring in a concrete example. And our product is going to be an online course. Okay, it can be any course in any niche, any topic. It doesn't really matter. It's just an online course. All right. And step one is going to be to list out 6 features of our product. Okay. I put 6 boring features because features are pretty boring when you just read them on their own. Okay. So go and list out what it is. You know, what do people actually get? What your product does. Okay. I listed out a few here. So you get lifetime access to the course. Yeah. You get private Facebook group, you get templates and worksheets, you get 90-minute live Q&A, on and on and on, all right? And if you notice, when you read these, I get private Facebook group, and in my mind, I'm like, that's cool, but so what? You know, who cares, really? Like, what's in it for me? I'm not really getting what the deeper benefit is here. And if people are reading through your sales page or your copy and they're thinking, so what, who cares, you've lost them and you're going to lose them pretty quickly. Okay, so we need to grab them back in. All right, so let's go and apply our little formula to this and give them that's what's in it for me. All right, again, we're going to be using this feature, advantage, benefit. All right, here we go. Product online course. So the feature is lifetime access to the course modules. So what? Well, it means you can learn at your own pace. Okay, cool. All right, what's the emotional benefit of that? It means you never feel rushed, you never feel pressured, you never feel overwhelmed. You take things in at your own time. All right, and then what we go and do is we go and apply this. Okay, it, so you can, which means, all right, fill in the gaps. You get lifetime access, so you can study whenever you like, which means you can relax and enjoy the course at your own pace. All right, feature, advantage, emotional benefit, feeling. All right, and then if we just tidy it all up, make it a bit shorter, we get this: lifetime access, so you can relax and enjoy the course at your own pace. And you can see we're bouncing between feature, boring, to this feeling, which you can really sort of immerse yourself in. Okay, let's try another one. So online course is the product again. Feature, access to the private Facebook group. So what? Who cares? Okay, well, it means you can ask questions anytime. Okay, cool. What's the deeper emotional benefit to that? Well, it means you never feel lost, you never feel stuck, you never feel helpless, you never feel on your own. You know, people have got your back. Okay, so let's go and plug in this formula again. It, so you can, which means fill in the gaps. You get access to the private Facebook group, so you can ask questions anytime, which means you'll never feel lost, stuck, or on your own. Okay, and then again, if I tidy that up, condense that down a bit, I get private Facebook group, so you can get your questions answered fast and easy. All right, again, we've got the feature, so what, we got the feeling. Okay, feature, feeling. All right, I've changed it up a little bit here. I said so you can get your questions answered fast and easy. It still carries that same feeling of, you know, of getting help, getting support, you know, not getting lost, not getting stuck, all that sort of stuff. All right, let's try one more. Product, online course again. Feature, templates and worksheets. Okay, so who cares about templates and worksheets? Like, that sounds pretty boring. What's in it for me? Well, you can recap lesson material real fast. It's like, oh, okay, cool. What's the deeper emotion behind that? Well, there's no wasting time. There's no feeling frustrated, you know? So let's plug it in again. You get templates and PDFs, so you can recap any info fast, which means no feeling frustrated or like you are wasting your time. Okay? And then again, one last time, condense it. Templates and PDFs, so you can recap fast, no time wasted. Okay, so you've got this feature, so what, don't really get what's in it for me. And then you've got this clear benefit of, you know, saving your precious time, okay, and avoiding that frustration. Feature, feeling, okay. And that's all the formula does. It just bounces between that feature and that feeling and emotion, okay. Feature and feeling and emotion. A quick recap there: feature, advantage, benefit. What it is, what it does well, and what that means emotionally to the buyer. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, give us a like. I really appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. And if you enjoy content like this on copywriting and improving your copy, then go ahead and hit subscribe, all right? But I'll leave it at that. Wish you the best on whatever you're working on, and take care wherever you are in the world, all right? I'll talk to you real soon.